Hey guys, thanks for joining me for this tutorial for this pink holly design that I created for Christmas. I used this pink nail polish. It's Getting Naughty on my Honeymoon from OPI, and I did three coats on all my nails. I'm going to come in with my Winstonia brush. It's my favorite nail art brush, and I'll have a link to it below. And I'm going to use Off Tropic by Essie, but I'm just going to do a little holly leaf up in the top here. Now, I am filming this kind of upside down, so some of mine are a little ski-wompy, but I fix them at the end, but it's okay. And then I'm just going to do the outline of that, so you're going to do like 3 little scallops on each side, and then you're going to fill in with the green polish when you're done. And these are going to meet in the middle here, so it doesn't matter if I didn't get that last scallop too nice. Anyway, it works out in the end. You can fill in where you mess up. Okay, so I'm going to fill that in, and then I'm going to do another one in the bottom corner down here, just because I think it gives it a little more interest when it's going a different direction. So I'm going to do the 3 little scallops as best I can, doing this upside down, and fill that in. And then I'm going to do another one alongside it. You can even Google holly leaf clip art if you want to look at a picture while you're doing this. Sometimes I find that really helpful. So here's the other one that I'm going to do here alongside it. And you want to make these kind of small because you are going to do a white background behind it. So you want to make sure that you're leaving quite a bit of pink space so it's just not too overwhelming. Okay, so I'm going to fill that one in. I'm going to get a nice little glob, and once you have the outline of that, it'll kind of fill in really nicely. And then I'm just going to do one that barely comes out at the tip here, and then I actually did add another one too. You'll see here in a second. So now I'm coming in with Essie Blanc, and you can even use just regular white acrylic paint. It's a little bit easier to work with it, but I'm just using polish that I had here, and I'm going to put a little background for where I think I'm going to put these berries, and I can touch it up when I come back after that too. And then I'm going to use that white to outline the leaves, and I can even fix some of those little imperfections with the white as I go over it and around every little curve. Okay, so I've carefully painted the edge on all those leaves. I really like that look. It makes it pop. And then I'm going to add my berries with the OPI Ginger's Revenge. And I did 3 here, and after I did it, I thought, oh, that doesn't look good. I like it better with just 2, or maybe 2 bigger and 1 small. So I was going to show you guys how I erase this. I take a little bit of acetone on my brush and just swipe off where I want, and then I touch it up with polish. So I'm coming back in here with the pink, and then I'll go back in again with the green and the white and the polka dot, and just kind of redo that little area instead of the whole thing. So that's kind of nice. And then I'm just smoothing out these areas that I want to look a little more clean and nice. So that's the finished look. Make sure it's completely dry before you want to add the top coat, just so it doesn't smear. And so I let it dry about 5 or 10 minutes, and then I applied my Glisten and Glow top coat. And that's the final look. I hope you guys like this. It's a fun, kind of different design for Christmas. And I hope everyone has a great holiday. We'll see you soon. Bye.